If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get notified on every new upload.
Let's see how to get that two-handed surgical knot. Assalamu alaikum. So here we have a dual colored thread. Let's say the white side is facing away from you and the purple one towards you. Now position your hand as if you're gonna shoot someone, that is pistol style. Now the white part will go above your forefinger, then bring the purple one to overlap the white one. Bring your forefinger and thumb together, rotate, pick up the purple one and stretch. Now you can see the purple one is away from you. Now again follow the pistol style. This time the white one will cross over the thumb. The purple one will be brought close to the white one. Close your forefinger and thumb, rotate and grab the purple one in there and you are done. Let us see this again.